I came upon some data showing that most women go into spontaneous labor and give birth at night. And I've talked to numerous OBGYNs about this phenomenon, and they say, oh yes, we know about this, we come in at night to deliver babies. But you ask them, why does this happen at night? And they can't really give you an answer. It just happens, right? Well, as a scientist, that's not acceptable. I wanted to know why. Strands of cells aligned parallel to each other, and these are, and it turns out that a number of physiological processes in the body are timed by our biological clock in the brain. And the way that works is that this biological clock emits signals, typically neural signals, or in some cases hormonal signals, which are then sent to the so-called target organs around the body, and those signals change across 24 hours. Respond to melatonin and induce contractions. Well, if we can prevent melatonin, our idea was let's inhibit melatonin's action on the pregnant woman's uterus. We decided to use what is known in the field to be very effective at inhibiting melatonin production by the brain, and that's light. Turns out if you take a standard monitor-sized full spectrum white light and expose a person during the nighttime to this, even for just a short while, melatonin production by the brain stops. And it's reversible. You turn the light off and melatonin comes back up. So we thought, let's take the next step and develop a light emitting device, a goggle, if you will, to miniaturize the light source, make it more comfortable, less expensive, and see if that works. The gap funding is intended to facilitate research at FSU towards commercialization. And so our current gap-funded project is the blue light goggle project at the local hospital. If it works, we should be able to take those goggles as a prototype and develop something a little more comfortable, a little more attractive, a little more accepted by women. We're thinking in terms of a mask, like the black mask that people use to sleep with, and have the lights embedded in that mask. It's driven by wireless technology, it's computer driven. I mean, it's very safe and simple, and I think that would be definitely a market out there that this product could fill.